Hey guys, my name is Avigat, and in this video I'll be creating a Java program to accept a name and a gender and display the name prefix by either Mr. or Miss using switch statements. So let's start with the program. Okay, so this is the basic structure of every Java program. Here I've started with import java.util.scanner, then class, then public static void main, and then scanner sc equals to new scanner, which is the line used to gather input from the user. Now to start the program, first I will create two variables, one to store the gender and one to store the name. And both of those variables will be string variables. So I'll just write string name, gender. Now I will write my print statements to gather input from the user, and then I'll store those values in these string variables. First I'll write the input for name, so system.out.println, and here within the quotation I'll say enter your name. Now I'll say name is equal to sc.next. Next is a method to input any user value in the form of a string. Now I'll just copy this, and here I'll say enter your gender. This time I'll put gender is equal to sc.next. Okay, so now that the value has been stored in both name and gender, I can begin writing the switch cases. So first I'll start by writing the switch keyword, so switch, and within the brackets I will write the name of the expression, which in this case will be gender, because that is what we're going to be checking. Now I'll write my curly braces, and within this I will write my first case. So the first case will be a string, and this will be male. Now I write colon, I'll again say system.out.println, and over here I will say Mr. because this is going to be a male, and then I'll add a plus which is used to concatenate two strings. So Mr. plus, I'll add the name over here. This will basically display the output as Mr. and whatever name has been inputted, which we'll test at the end. Now I'll write break to indicate that this part of the code is done. Now I'll just copy this case and I will paste it once more. This time I'll make this female, and over here I'll say miss and then plus name. Again I'll add a break, and lastly I'll say default, which is similar to an else, and here within the quotation I'll just say other gender. Okay, so now this program is over. Let me just compile this. Let's check the output. So void main, enter your name, Avigat. Enter your gender, male. Here, it shows me that it's Mr. Avigat. Now let me run the code again. This time I'll enter a random name, and this time the gender will be female. Here it shows that it's Miss. This time I'll input a random name and a random gender. Here it shows that it's another gender. So yeah, that is all for this video. If you want the code, it will be available on my website avigatgupta.com, so you can check it out if you want to. Other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them as soon as possible. And if you learned something new in this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and see you later. Bye.